Welcome to Coursium. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to create a Coursium e-learning course in just 3 simple steps. The first step is to get your video. I'm going to click here on video and then click on add new. When we add new, we have a lot of different options. We can add from a URL, we can add from YouTube, we can add from Vimeo or from Facebook or from Dropbox or even from our computer. Now we're going to add from YouTube. So we go into YouTube and we search for affiliate marketing for beginners, but we can't just use these videos. They are copyrighted. So what you need to do is go to filters and click on Creative Commons. Now this shows us all the videos that the creator has put on YouTube for us to use for free legally. So here's one right here, affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Just click on it. Grab the URL. Now go back to Coursium. Now what we want to do here is choose our video language. We're going to set this to English, United States. Next we are going to click on YouTube and we're going to paste the URL in here and then upload the video. Now as you can see, our video is in Coursium. Next we will edit and customize it. We will call this our affiliate marketing video. Set this to public and we will call this one marketing. And just type marketing here, just so we have something in place. And then we will add the URL. For this URL, we're going to set it to affiliate-market. And then we're going to save that. Now, up at the top, you will see information updated, info updated. And now we have finished step 1. We have added our video. Next step is to create our course page. This is the place our customers will access their course after paying us for it. Click on video page and then click on add new. And we're going to call this our test page. Then the URL can be testpage.coursium.net. And you can set a logo here if you want as well. And there's a lot more options. But for now, we're just going to save this. Step 1 is done. We have added our video. Step 2 is now done. We have created our course page. Now we bring those two together in step 3. For step 3, we will go back to our video section. Scroll down to the video we just uploaded. We're going to go in here and add password protection for this video and then select yes for required password. We're going to go with an easy password today, 1234. And we're going to save that. And then we simply click on the settings option again. From the drop-down list, we select add to our test page. And just like that, our course video from step 1 is now on our course page we created in step 2. Let me show you what this actually looks like. Let's go to our video pages and open our test page. And there it is, affiliate marketing added to our test page. Now we will open the actual page itself by clicking up here. And there it is. When I click on it, it requires that I enter my password. Your customers will receive the password when they pay you for the course through a PayPal or Stripe button. It's all automated. So I type the password, 1234. Click continue, and here's our video. So step 1, add our video. Step 2, create our course page. And step 3, add the video course to the course page. This is all there is to it. So what did you think about Coursium? I can tell you it's a pretty good app, and that short demo didn't quite cover everything I wanted to show to you. So hopefully I'm going to have Dave step in here a little bit later and he can talk a little bit about Coursium as well. He's from my team and he's been overlooking the development of Coursium all this time. And the best part, like I said, is for us, we are also moving all our courses over to Coursium. It makes sense, because it allows us to not only present the courses in a way that they can be consumed with transcriptions, but also have them translation ready for people around the world. So if I have customers coming in from, say, Spain or France or Germany or all these other places with different languages, they can also consume these courses. So for me, by the way, because of all of this, the profitability goes up as well. And I want you to think about the same, because when you sell your course to, say, 100 people, you could have another 20, 30, 50, even potentially another 100 who can watch your course in a different language. So it could potentially double up the revenue that you're making. And because the completion rate increase because of the transcriptions and how Coursium is structured, you get more value out of it. So starting today, you too can easily start a profitable e-learning business, and that's my focus today. There's no technical mumbo jumbo. You don't have to build a list, you don't have to create websites, you don't need expensive equipment, no hosting and domain fees, nothing to download or install, no buffering, no complicated setup, no commercials from YouTube, no overhead costs. So all your videos are hosted by us, so there's no additional cost for you. In fact, the offer that you will see today, you get unlimited hosting for that, for your course videos. Right? You don't need to create transcriptions. You don't need to create a studio. There's no need to write scripts, no need to research topics, no expensive editing software, no traffic hijacking on YouTube. Like everything that I've shown you today is completely legal, completely white hat, right? And again, as I mentioned, most importantly, no hosting cost for, say, Vimeo or Vistia or any other service.